Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be introducing you to a new app. It's called CamFind. Whenever you see a new thing like a new electronic gadget, you might want to find out what it does. This app helps you to do that. With this app you just want to take a photo of the item that you want to know about, and the app will give you details about that item. Before going further on, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to receive notifications as soon as I upload a new video. So without further ado, let's get started. First, you need to install the app. This app is available on Play Store. Just go to Play Store and search for CamFind and you'll get it. I have already installed this app, so let me open it. When you open the app for the first time, you will see some tutorials. You have an option to skip the tutorial. You can skip it if you don't want it. Once you have skipped the tutorials, you will be taken to the camera screen. From here, you can scan an item or a device to get more information about it. Now I'm gonna check if this app works. Here I have a Alexa 32 GB pen drive. I'm going to scan it. So let me open it. So let's focus the camera on the pen drive and then click on capture. Once it has been captured, you will see a progress bar saying identifying. You will notice that some tags are appearing on the screen. The tags that appear on the screen will also sometimes be replaced by new ones. It might take some time before the app fully identifies the item. As you can see, now I have got the correct tags related to this item. Once the item has been identified, you will see some links on the screen. Most of these links will take you to websites from where you can buy this product. There will also be some links that shows you the uses of this item. As you can see, if I click on the first link, it will take me to the eBay website from where I can buy this pen drive. Now let's take a look at some of the other features that this app has. It has a feature called Stream, which allows you to take a look at items scanned by other users. It also has history, which shows you your previous scans. Now if you go to settings, you can control some of the basic functions. You can adjust the flash settings or enable barcode scanning, and you can also control some other features. With that, we come to the end of this video. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like, and also don't forget to watch my previous videos.